Our families are aligned in the stars. It's the same for you and Adam.
I let it fall.